Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products with honesty, science, and a touch of fun. Today, we're focusing on a facial moisturizer that's been getting a lot of attention for dry and sensitive skin, the EltaMD Barrier Renewal Complex. This is a face moisturizer designed to soothe, repair, and strengthen the skin's natural barrier, something that's crucial if your skin tends to feel tight, irritated, or dehydrated. The EltaMD Barrier Renewal Complex comes in a 1.7-ounce pump bottle, making it compact yet practical for daily use. Its formula is packed with a blend of ceramides, niacinamide, and essential lipids aimed at restoring and maintaining skin's natural moisture balance. Unlike heavier creams, it's meant to feel lightweight while still delivering hydration, making it suitable for sensitive skin types as well. When I incorporated this moisturizer into my morning and evening skincare routine, I noticed it absorbed quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which is always a plus. It felt gentle on the skin and didn't trigger any irritation, something I always pay close attention to given my sensitivity. I also observed that after a week of consistent use, my skin felt more resilient and softer to the touch. The texture is creamy yet smooth, so it layers well under makeup or sunscreen without pilling. One of the standout features for me is its balance between hydration and barrier repair. Many moisturizers either feel too heavy or don't offer lasting moisture, but this one strikes a nice middle ground. The pump packaging also keeps the formula hygienic, and the bottle feels sturdy enough to last through daily use. As for pros, the moisturizer delivers gentle, yet effective hydration, absorbs quickly, and supports skin barrier function. It's fragrance-free, which is ideal for sensitive skin, and it layers nicely under other products. On the flip side, because it's a smaller bottle at 1.7 ounces, you might find yourself going through it fairly quickly if you use it generously. Also, it's on the pricier side compared to drugstore alternatives, which could be a consideration if budget is a priority. Speaking of alternatives, if you're looking for something a bit more affordable with similar hydrating properties, options like CeraVe Moisturizing Cream or La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer provide solid barrier support, though the EltaMD formula does feel slightly more refined and specialized. In terms of value, the Barrier Renewal Complex is priced higher than your average drugstore moisturizer, but the quality of ingredients, gentle formulation, and focus on barrier repair justify the investment, especially if you struggle with dryness or sensitivity. I would say it's particularly suited to anyone who wants a science-backed, everyday moisturizer that prioritizes skin health over quick fixes. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, the EltaMD Barrier Renewal Complex offers effective hydration, supports skin barrier health, and feels luxurious without being heavy. It's an excellent choice for dry or sensitive skin, especially for those who value formulations grounded in dermatological science. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the link to purchase this product is in the description box. If you've already tried it, drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.